Hello children, welcome back to our English online class. Today we will continue with the concluding part of the chapter The Will. In the previous video you saw that in the story there was a man named Abdullah bin Saad who had 3 sons and pedigreed camels of finest quality. One night Abdullah bin Saad was found lifeless in his bed and he left a will behind him. In the will he advised the children to be united and take care of their mother. They had read the one-page will on that day. Now we will continue with the reading of the will of the next page. Towards the reading. With Allah as my witness, I write that after my death, my house goes to my wife Ruqayya Khatun. It is up to her to keep it, give it to our sons, or sell it. The decision rests with my wife. Apart from my house, I have no other property. However, after my death, my camels will be divided between my wife and children. The healthiest and most handsome camel will go to my wife. The remainder will be divided among my sons, and Ahmad will get half of the remaining camels after my wife has taken one. Muhammad will get 1/3 of the camels and Mukarram will get 1/9. Abdullah bin Saad had 18 camels when he died. The best camel would go to Ruqayya Khatun. There remained 17 beasts. Now it was written in the will that after Abdullah's death, his house go to his wife Ruqayya Khatun, and it's her will to do whatever she liked to do with the house. Apart from the house, he had no other property but camels. He divided the camels among his children and his wife. According to his will, Ahmad will get half of the camels, Muhammad will get 1/3, and Mukarram will get 1/9 of the camels. Abdullah bin Saad had total 18 camels when he died. After Ruqayya Khatun took his camel, there remained only 17 beasts. Now the problem was how to divide these 17 beasts among the 3 sons. We will continue the reading. Ahmad demanded his half, but he could not have half of 17 camels, which is 8.5 camels. No one knew where to get half a camel. Similarly, when Muhammad asked for 1/3 and Mukarram for 1/9, it proved impossible to divide the camels. The 3 brothers began quarreling, each wanting his entire share of the animals. None of them was willing to back down. Their mother exclaimed that their father was hardly buried and they were already enemies with each other. Now it seemed impossible to divide the camels among the children, and they began to fight for their share. It was exclaimed that they were already enemies with each other for the camels. Mukarram, the youngest son, saw that their fighting had made his mother sad. He thought of his father's advice. Ammi, you are wise. Why don't you tell us what we should do? He said. Remembering his father's advice, Muhammad decided to indulge his younger brother. Yes, Ammi, what do you suggest? Ahmad too realized that his father would want him to respect his mother's wish first. Tell us, Ammi, what's your wish? He asked. The youngest son saw that their fighting had made their mother sad. He told his mother that she was very wise and she could suggest what they could do to divide the camels among them. Muhammad and Ahmad also agreed to Mukarram's advice and they asked their mother's wish. The mother thought for some time. Then she said, "Let me add my camel to your camels." So how many camels do you have now? 18, said the boys. Ammi said, absolutely correct. Ahmad, you are the eldest, and according to the will, you are given half the camels. You get 9 of them. Muhammad, according to the will, you get 1/3 of the camels. 1/3 of 18 is 6. And Mukarram, According to your father's will, you are given 1/9 of the camels. 1/9 of 18 is 2 camels. Ammi said the matter was now settled. Ahmad said, yes, Ammi, I get 9, Muhammad gets 6, and Mukarram gets 2. My God, together these come to 17 camels. So your camel will stay with you. Ammi smiled. She said, your father was a just and honest man. अब उसकी माँ ने थोड़ी देर के लिए सोचा, फिर क्या सलाह दी कि जो मेरा वाला कैमल है वो उनमें मिला दो. टोटल कितने कैमल्स हो गए? 18 हो गए. अब 18 कैमल्स हो गए तो अहमद ने उनके हाफ़ ले लिए, यानी कि उसने 9 ले लिए, और मोहम्मद को 6 कैमल्स मिले और मुकर्रम को 2 कैमल्स मिले. एक कैमल बचा जो उसकी मम्मी का था. इस तरीके से जो है मैटर सॉल्व हो गया और सारे बच्चों ने खुशी से अपना अपना हिस्सा ले लिया. और अम्मी ने क्या कहा कि योर फादर, तुम्हारे पापा जो हैं एक बहुत ही ईमानदार और सच्चे आदमी थे, इसलिए उन्होंने बराबर से डिवीज़न किया है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, होप यू एन्जॉय द स्टोरी एंड यू हैव टू रीड द स्टोरी वंस अगेन. गो टू इट थॉरोली एंड इफ़ यू फेस एनी प्रॉब्लम यू आर फ्री टू आस्क मी. ओके, बाय बाय फॉर दिस चैप्टर.